My name is Zoe Lem and I am the course director of Fashion Media and Promotion here at LCCA. The course is jam-packed and we fill as much as we can so that you're industry ready. It's all about your career, it's all about your experience and your skills, going out on work experience and working live in the industry from year one. We go all the way through modules from journalism, styling, fashion film, creative direction, marketing, promotion, content creation. If you've dreamt of working in content creation on social media, if you see content and think, I want to do that, or if you've always wanted to be a journalist, reporting on the fashion shows, on the brands, about sustainability, inclusivity, then this is the course for you. If you're passionate and purpose-driven, we can help you hone your skills so that you can have an amazing career in an industry that is fabulous and glamorous, but really cares, and you can have an impact. We are a course that is all about journalism, styling, fashion film, and creative direction. So on this course, we have, with the students, created a magazine/media platform called Fear-Less, full stop, very important. And it is a platform that is for students to share their voice. It is purpose-driven, inclusive, and diverse. The fashion media and promotion students share their portfolios, their work. They also are out and about in the industry seeking stories, seeking interviews and content so that we can share that with the world, the school, and the industry. So you can get involved, whether you're a student on fashion media and promotion or you're on another course and are really interested in how the magazine works and how the industry works. You can get involved. Fearless will be printed as a zine. Fingers crossed, at some point soon will be a website and you can get involved. Podcast, stills, video. If you've always wanted to have your voice and tell your stories, this is the place. Before you have your voice on creativity and sharing your views on the world, we really help you get to know who you are. We are a course that is all about storytelling and communication, but we do a lot of personal development on this course. What do you care about? What do you want to change? What impact do you want to have on this world? What stories do you want to tell? So you will find out, what are your 4 cornerstone values? What does that mean? It's what you care about, and we work through a process of understanding who you are so that you know how to tell the stories of who other people are. And you really get to the crux of being purpose-driven and communicating and fighting for causes that you care about, whether that's sustainability, inclusivity, diversity, homelessness, telling the stories of culture, having an impact on the voices that are heard from a fashion media perspective. So this is a place for you to really drive your purpose and to really mark out who you are and the impact on the industry. We focus on cramming this course with loads of amazing content that's going to give you the biggest opportunities within fashion media and promotion industry. But we are career focused. We cram it also with work experience, whether it is working on shows, working with brands. In your second year, you go out on a placement and you will be doing 150 hours with a brand, a magazine, with an industry in PR. Some of our students have worked at Hero magazine, they've worked at PR agencies, they've worked with brands creating content and film. There are amazing opportunities to be had during the work experience stage, and it will hugely set you up for your career and an amazing CV. So you not only get the skills and the knowledge, you also get the experience, and it becomes a very well-rounded experience that makes sure you get the best jobs after your course. Do you know what a stylist is? We hear this word, it used to not be known about, but every celebrity has a stylist. Every fashion shoot has a stylist working on it, and every film has a costume designer or stylist. What is that? Is it just a glamorous word for someone that dresses someone all day? Sure. But you're actually a glorified bag lady. I used to have very short arms. But a stylist is the person that comes up with the ideas, the mood boards, finds the clothes, works with brands, collaborates to create a look. Whether that's understanding the style, the colours, the textures, the look, and create that whole vision of what someone might look like in a magazine, on TV, for an appearance, a red carpet. So if you've ever wondered, what is this stylist? this is the course to find out. And you will actually be able to go out as a stylist after this course and work as a job. And when you do something that you love, you never work a day in your life.